What's going on, YouTube? Starting the vlog off here. I'm gonna head outside right now because it's pouring rain. Florida! I have a beef with you. I'm trying to vlog here and you're being thundery outside. Look guys, it's raining and it's thundering and it's being just crappy weather, Florida. Bad Florida. And there was a really cool lightning bolt over there. But I'm trying to vlog here. You don't need to be all thundery and lightning and everything like that. This sucks, guys. It is crappy weather. And it's just, this is Florida, this is Gainesville, this is Rainesville, guys. And now I'm gonna go to the gym. Just got back from the gym. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cook some breakfast food. I'm gonna do eggs and bacon, maybe a bagel. I'm not sure if I'm in the mood for a bagel right now, but we're gonna go ahead, fry up some eggs, do some bacon, toss together a little protein slurry before going to bed. Get some water in me, maybe have another banana, but I already ate one today. Don't know if I want to do two. Let's jump into it. Okay guys, time to go ahead and chow down. A nice post-workout breakfast, even though it's 10:33 now. Okay guys, so I kind of sort of fell asleep on the couch and it's kind of sort of 1 a.m. and I kind of sort of only got half my homework that I needed to get done, and the house is a mess. And so tonight didn't go as well. Nick, why'd you have to fall asleep? And my hair's a mess, guys. Look at this. Like, it's all over the place. So I'm going to go ahead and close the vlog off here today. Make sure to send good vibes on the world, guys. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's cooking vlog. See you then.